Today's guest is a successful YouTuber, entrepreneur, and business owner. Let's find out what it really takes to build success in today's world. Alex, a lot of people dream about making their first $100,000. Why is that number so important?
Because it's the first time you stop worrying about survival. It gives you options.
Most people think they need to make more money immediately.
Actually, the first thing I did wasn't earn more, it was spend less.
Really?
Yes, if your expenses are high, you're running uphill. The less you need, the faster you can build.
So where does someone start?
Cut unnecessary costs, housing, food, transportation.
Buy yourself time. Time's to be something you talk about a lot.
Because everyone gets the same 24 hours. The difference is how you use them.
What if someone already works a full-time job?
Then mornings and evenings become your opportunity. Most people waste them.
Once you've saved time and money, what's next?
Learn a skill people already pay for.
A lot of people try to learn 10 things at once. That's a mistake.
One skill, one customer, one offer. Master that first.
And how do you actually get good at it?
Practice. Most people consume information. Very few apply it.
So watching videos isn't enough?
No. Learning means changing your behavior.
When money finally starts coming in, what should people do with it?
Reinvest it. Buy tools, buy knowledge, buy leverage.
What about rewarding yourself?
That's where most people fail.
How so?
The moment they earn more, they spend more. New phone.
Better car, bigger apartment.
And that keeps them stuck?
Exactly.
If your lifestyle grows as fast as your income, you'll never build wealth.
So what's the real secret behind reaching $100,000?
Live below your means, invest in valuable skills,
And stay consistent longer than everyone else.
That sounds simple. Simple doesn't mean easy.
And if someone starts today,
A year from now, their life could look completely different.
then maybe the first $100,000 isn't really about money.
It's about becoming the person capable of earning it.
Well, thanks, Alex, for today's impact, and thanks for coming.
You're welcome. Glad I could help.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Anytime.